Hola, this is another tutorial for the BsideLearn project, and my name is Siamo Buddha, and this is your second lesson on the series called HTML. Well, in the previous lesson we had made up this markup, this whole entire web document, and we had coded all this whole entire markup into it, and adding these sentences and this title to it, and then also displaying it on our web browser, and it gave us the following output. And we had discussed that as much as the code would be this, the output is actually this. The whole entire markup tags are used by the web browser to generate and display this to us. And we had also seen that we could also see the code of what we had done, and we could see all the whole entire markup tags that we had written, and instead of it being presented to us visually so that we can see it like this. Well, in this lesson we will be carrying on, and I'll be explaining each and every tag that we have used here and how it had been generated by the web browser. Now, I'm saying this word so much and you're probably becoming confused, or you're hating me right now because I'm busy saying tags, markup tags. Well, what is a tag? A tag or a markup tag is simply keywords, important HTML keywords, in fact, that are within arrow brackets or angular brackets, as one would call them. I call them arrow brackets. So anything that is under these two brackets or braces and is a keyword, then it's an HTML tag. Remember, we said HTML is a markup language that uses various tags to structure and format content. So keyword tags are used to structure and format content. Yes, very simple. Well, I hope it is simple to understand. Now, the thing about tags is that whenever we make a tag like this in HTML, most of the time it has to have a closing tag like this. Now, a closing tag is a tag like the one that we made with the arrow brackets or the angular brackets, but it also has this is this what, backward slash or forward slash? Well, it has this slash into it, most especially this one, not this one, but this one. Yes, it has that. And now this with the slash is called a closing tag, and this is called an opening tag. Now, we use tags to structure out content. So it means that content will be placed within the tags, and the tags will structure out the content specifically how the tag must. So, just like that, very simple. If you can understand and grasp that knowledge, then you are done with HTML. All you need to do now is to know all the tags that there are in HTML. Well, I'm going to try to find as much tags as I can, and properties that as I can with HTML, and teach them to you through this lesson. Um, Thank you guys for listening. Much of this tutorial was mostly based on theory, and in the next tutorial, I know I promised you in the previous tutorial that we'll be explaining all the tags that we used here, but I am out of time, so please stay with me, and in the next tutorial we'll explain these tags that I was using here. Thank you.